PwC International Assignment Services says the GST is a fairer tax regime compared with direct income taxes. Citing its executive director, Hilda Liao, Bernama reports that this is because it is a consumption tax and that if you don't spend, you don't pay. Therefore, Liao believes that the way forward is to maintain GST and continue cutting personal income tax. This is because an individual should not have to pay both. Liao says the existing income tax system is already a boon to low-income earners, with fewer people paying taxes than ever before. However, she believes Malaysia can afford to cut income tax further as the rates are nowhere near low-paying countries as yet. Malaysia will know when polling days will fall tomorrow. The Election Commission says it is meeting tomorrow morning to decide on the important dates for GE14. Among the dates to be decided are Nomination Day, Early Voting Day and Polling Day. Aside from that, the board will also decide on the electoral roll to be used and the necessary preparations. It will call a press conference after the meeting. Serba Dynamic is close to wrapping up talks for a potential acquisition of a US firm. The oil and gas services firm expects to seal the deal this year. Should the acquisition go through, Serba Dynamic says it would have covered the entire geographic coverage as an MNC. The company currently has presence in countries including the UAE, Indonesia, Turkmenistan and the UK. According to Group CEO Dato Dr. Muhammad Abdul Karim Abdullah, the group's order book stands at 6.2 billion ringgit versus its 2018 target of 7.5 billion ringgit. Its tender book stands at 12.5 billion ringgit. The Digital Free Trade Zone pilot project has gained traction, with about 70 SME manufacturers on board its e-trade program. Launched in March 2017, it has generated total sales of 52.1 million ringgit, with exports amounting to 18.1 million ringgit since last November. According to MITI Minister Dato Sri Mustafa Mohamed, 2,654 participants have joined the DFTZ to date. He hopes to see 10,000 SMEs sign on by the end of this year. SMEs may do so not just via the Alibaba.com platform, but also through other e-marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, as well as local platforms like Aladdin Street. Genting is cautiously optimistic on global economic prospects for 2018. Its chairman and CEO Tan Sri Lim Kok Teh explains that the group's business strategies incorporate risk management and sustainability practices to ensure continuity. However, one can never predict unforeseen circumstances. Therefore, the company remains vigilant and will continue to work diligently to ensure its existing businesses remain strong while keeping the development of new projects on track. Lim adds that no matter how challenging things may be, he will continue to guide and lead his team to deliver the best performance possible for Genting.